So here we are at the open of the week. I've got the pound versus the Canadian dollar in front of you. You can see that we have gapped right at the open during early Asian trading in New Zealand and Australia. And what we actually have done is we've gapped below an uptrend line. We've gapped below the 187.50 level, which I see as support and resistance several times over the last several months. And we have the 200-day moving average above offering dynamic resistance at the shooting star. So I like the idea of shorting this. When I look at the 1 hour chart, you can see that we have tried to rally a couple of times since we gapped lower. 187.50 is acting as resistance. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little bit more room to move. I'm going to go to at least the gap itself, which is 187.80. I'm going to go ahead and just put 188 as my stop loss. And when I look at this, I think we have a chance to kind of go fairly long way, so I'm not even going to put a take profit order at this point. So I'll go ahead and put my new order in. I want to sell with a stop loss at 1.8810, just to put it a little bit above the large figure, and I go ahead and sell. So you can see that I'm protected now. We'll have to see how this goes, but this is a good opportunity, I believe, to perhaps continue the downward pattern that we've seen for some time. This is a 4 hour chart, really kind of comes into play there. And of course, right here, you can see the daily. So I do like this idea for shorting. We'll have to see how it plays out. I would suspect that probably 185 will be the first real target, but we could go much lower than that. Okay, so we're a few candles into this on the 4 hour chart, and you can see that we are starting to struggle a little bit here, somewhere right around 1.86. At this point in time, at the very least, you would want to move your stop loss to break even, and that's the very least I'm going to do, although I see quite a bit of noise here. I do see that we're struggling, so at this point in time, I'm probably just going to go ahead and close the trade out. This is a discretionary type of exit, but I've already gotten more than 1-to-1, so on the risk to reward ratio, so might as well. And we could go lower, but I think there's probably going to be better places around the Forex market to go ahead and try to put some money to work. So at this point in time, I'm looking to get out of this at 99 pips profit and just take it from there.